Hey everybody, Ryobi sent us their 40-volt hybrid 20-inch air cannon to test and evaluate. The fan is AC/DC. It runs off their 40-volt battery line. Now, despite its name, air cannon, one might expect this fan to be loud. However, the Ryobi is part of the Whisper series line, and it's surprisingly quiet. Ryobi has been diligently reducing noise across the Whisper series line, and that includes OPE tools like cordless blowers, lawnmowers, string trimmers, and fans. Low. 2. We conducted our own decibel test just to kind of test it. We placed our device at ear height 8 feet away in the path of the fan, and we looked at maximum decibels recorded. On high, we saw 77.1 decibels, medium 65.5 decibels, and on low 48.8 decibels. Now, whether you're in a workshop or the household, the fan operates silently, enabling easy conversations or that unexpected phone call while you're working, thus enabling or enhancing the workshop ambience for uninterrupted work, right? The air cannon offers 4 operational settings controlled by a large switch that's on the side of the unit. 3 settings are basically off, low, medium, and high. Ryobi provides the following CFM ratings as well. High, you're going to get 6,300 CFMs. Medium is 4,450 CFMs, and low is 2,850 CFMs. The Ryobi air cannon fan provides invaluable applications if you think about it. You know, the uses and applications. It circulates air in the workshop. It can expel paint fumes or dust, provide good relief on the job site. Outdoors, it could become a cooling beast, right? Offering, kind of relief in sweltering temperatures, whether it's a picnic or maybe you're at an RV camp or something like that. It's got rugged wheels, great portability. It's perfect for, dragging it across grass, beach, camping grounds, job site terrain. During renovations, it effectively clears demolition dust and ensures just a cleaner work site, keep the airflow moving. It's impressive runtime. Ryobi claims 34 hours on a 12 amp hour battery, and roughly half that with a 6 amp hour battery, which is still a lot, and 3/4 that with a 4 amp hour battery, and that's on a low setting. Now, being a hybrid fan, you can plug this into an extension cord, just run it as long as you want. The air cannon features a large adjustment knob on the side of the fan that lets you basically pivot the fan, right? So you loosen that, you can rotate it 180 degrees, tighten it to hold the position. Once in that position, you just lock it down, it secures it. Those 6-inch wheels that I talked about, it just features or facilitates maneuverability on the job site, around here in the shop or the yard. It does have a little bit of assembly. There were a couple bolts and some washers to put the wheels on. Additionally, it features a large collapsible handle for easier transportation, securing maybe in the vehicle if you need to lash it down or something. Now, constructed out of robust metal frame, the Ryobi is designed to withstand transportation, bumps, and falls, right? It's going to ensure durability and longevity over time. Overall thoughts. I was impressed with the Ryobi 40-volt line in general, but we find it to be a true testament to Ryobi's commitment to creating a robust line of OPE tools. Our crew has always been impressed with their Whisper series, and this air cannon is no exception. It runs all day on a battery. It's easy to transport. It's exceptionally quiet. I think the air cannon is a commendable addition to the 40-volt line. I used it here in the shop. It ran all day. I didn't even know it was on. I left the shop and came back hours later. It was still on. It's that quiet. I used it while I was doing some painting. I was doing some sanding. It just keeps the airflow nice and moving. Well done, Ryobi. I really enjoyed this fan and this review. It was a nice tool to review. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell right there. We'll see you next time. Take care.